So for that step, again, we're going to step out of the video and all the sequences that we've been going through so far, and I'm going to talk about the windshield wiper motion. I'm going to keep my backhand grip, so we're going to keep I have my 1.5, so I'm going to keep that grip in order to apply my windshield wiper motion. So I'm staying facing the camera and I apply my windshield wiper motion. I'm also going to show you from the side so you can see that my racket stays on the same line. Very important. So that windshield wiper motion is going to start just at the time, and that's why I put that sequence right at that moment. It's going to start right at the time the racket is on the bottom part and ready to swing forward. As soon as the racket is going to start going forward, the windshield wiper motion is going to start its action too. So windshield wiper motion is, like you can see, very simple. You start from the bottom and ends a little past the vertical position. It's an action or a motion that you can use in warm-up to warm up your wrist and your forearm, but also to reinforce it. Like if you do it on the court, you'll see quickly that after a few seconds, your forearm starts to get warm and you start feeling your muscle, so it really helps building your muscle as well. But a motion that we're going to apply on every topspin backhand, so very important that you're aware of the motion, and I'll talk about it on the very next step on the swing forward. I'll talk about it from the very beginning of the swing forward, so at least you know what I'm talking about when I talk windshield wiper motion, and you see, and I'll tell you how to recognize that you actually apply that windshield wiper motion throughout the swing forward. So this was just a little sequence kind of stepping out of the step-by-step that we've been going through with the swing of the one-hand backhand, and just that little tip to help you understand what the windshield wiper means, and I'll show you after also what it does. Now let's move on into the next step with the swing forward.